Going back to the features, in your book, you said, watch out, I'm quoting because I have it written down. You said, watch out for a feature masquerading as a product.
Yes. Yeah, so that's the and Joel Hyatt, who teaches at the Stanford Business School, I have to credit him for this, and he is footnoted in there or credited in the book. But oftentimes you will see these startups that they come in with something very cool, but then you have to ask, is this really a viable business model? Because the one thing that they're solving for, maybe it's part of a bigger solution. And so this is being a little bit skeptical, because just because something is cool and solving an immediate pain point doesn't mean it has the capability and robustness to be a full-fledged tool for the enterprise. And so that's the lens, because even though it's exciting and cool, look, and to put it in context, I criticize the big players for just having this mass of technology that's semi-stitched together and just a big bloated mess. But the flip side of that is sometimes you have such a narrow solution that it's hard to imagine that somebody won't come along and just replicate that.